Hey buddy, you hungry today? There you go, nice and slow, good job. You want some too? Here, try this one. Sweet orange for you, mama. Everybody eating. Good. Hey buddy, here you go. Share a little piece with the kids. There you go, gentle. Good girl. Everybody's got an appetite today. All right, there's more in the bowl. Take turns. Tiny mouths, but big bites, huh?
Morning, you little family. Brought you a treat today. Chicken, blueberries, and some apple slices. Here you go. Glad you like it. Stay warm out here, all right?